Hey there, Kazi here, and this quick tutorial I will show you how to clear cache on laptop. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all I'm gonna do is simply go to the search bar and simply search for disk cleanup. There you go. You need to open this up, and now you need to select the drive that you want to disk clean. So for my case, I'm going with the C drive, which is actually my Windows drive. So I will select that one and simply tap on OK. Then as you can see, we got some files right over here. So you need to select all of these like that. You can select all of these and then simply go with the OK and delete files. So it will take some time to clean your cache. All right, so there we go. So that's how you can simply clear cache on laptop. So for the other drives too, you can go with the disk cleanup and clean the other drive as well, like the same. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.